Okay. That's okay.
Oh, that's on.
Hey, to win ya!
Bless you.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm lucky. Oh, welcome.
Can I say something?
No.
I kind of peed a little.
What the
What?
fuck?
So you do like stinky?
No, it's not like that. It's just that the sneeze was really big.
Can you pee on command?
Can you pee on command? What? Does that mean you pee without you can't hold your piss?
It's like peeing a little is not impressive, but if you can pee on command.
Everyone pees in command, dude.
Everyone pees on command?
No.
Breaking news: Zeta can't control her piss.
Pee voluntarily?
What?
What?
So you're telling me you don't pee voluntarily?
What? Actually, I do.